Hello, I'm Pierre Tsiba, a cross-industry solution architect at Microsoft. I'm going to walk you through the capabilities of our AI-enabled Procure GPT solution. Procure GPT offers several exciting benefits. In summary, it will save your procurement team a lot of time examining contract because Procure GPT lets them search into this contract in a natural way using their own languages. And Procure GPT allows you to get many benefits when you are using it. So let's start by seeing and looking at some of the functionalities that Procure GPT can offer to you. Procure GPT broad portfolio of capability encompasses the entirety of a procurement process. So you can see that the benefits are productivity improvement, accuracy, compliance, multilingual support, insight, and cost effectiveness. On the first screen, you have a range of options to help you streamline your procurement process and make better, more informed decisions. Let's start by summarizing a contract. So I'm putting in the contract number and then I click on OK, and the system is going to summarize the contract. As you can see, it's summarizing key contract elements like breakdown of services, schedule, payment terms, termination clauses. I can also quickly compare this contract with another one, highlighting key differences, identifying inconsistencies, and helping to mitigate risks. So as you can see, the system has compared two contracts and is giving us the differences between the contracts. Now we can also get more specifics into the contracts, and let's ask about the liability for one contract. Here we see all the liabilities that we have in the contract, as well as a reference to page 25 of a contract where information was collected and where you can quickly go to if you want to check that what the Procure GPT has told you is accurate or not. But you will find that it is always accurate. Interesting to note that the system will tell me in which area of a contract we are outside of established best practice. That's always a good thing to know. What's most important to realize is that Procure GPT lets me ask almost anything, and I will get a detailed, easy to understand, actionable response. And that will save both me as a procurement professional, as well as your team, a lot of time in their daily job. But what is important also to show is that I can get answers. I can talk to Procure GPT. I can get answers in different languages. So if I type in a different language, then the system is going to answer to me in that same language. So that is very good because you can have your team worldwide working on the same data, which is easily accessible. And I can also ask other questions, like, for instance, vital data. I'm not only restrained or restricted to a contract, but I can also ask the Procure GPT to give me details that are linked to the contract and your actual financial data. So I can say, for instance, what are your top 3 countries by spend? And the system is going to give me the answer that I want, giving me the top 3 countries by total spent. I could go on and show you many features of Procure GPT, but what is important to you is that you remember that the tool will help you save time in your daily procurement process. This time, your procurement team will be able to use on more value-added tasks. So, thank you for joining me today, and reach out to Microsoft if you want to know more.